Chapter 4. Develop a positive and strong mindset. Now that you have learned the importance of continuous learning, there is another powerful lesson that can completely change your life. That lesson is your mindset. Your mindset is the way you think about yourself, your abilities, and the challenges you face. It is like a pair of glasses through which you see the world. If your mindset is negative, every problem looks impossible. But if your mindset is positive and strong, every challenge becomes an opportunity to learn and grow. Imagine two people who both fail an important interview. The first person says, "I am not good enough. I will never succeed." They lose hope and stop trying. The second person says, "I didn't get this opportunity, but I learned something valuable. I will prepare better and try again." Both people faced the same situation, but their thoughts created two completely different futures. Remember this powerful truth. Your mindset shapes your future. A positive mindset does not mean pretending that life is always easy. Everyone experiences failure, disappointment, and difficult times. A positive mindset means believing that every problem has a solution and every mistake has a lesson. Instead of asking, "Why did this happen to me?" ask yourself, "What can I learn from this experience?" This simple question changes the way you think and helps you grow stronger. Another important habit is believing in yourself. Many people give up before they even begin because they think they are not smart enough, talented enough, or lucky enough. But successful people understand that confidence is built through action. The more you practice, learn, and improve, the more confidence you gain. You do not have to be perfect to begin. You simply need the courage to take the first step. Be careful about the words you say to yourself. If you keep telling yourself, "I can't do this," your mind will start believing it. Instead, say, "I am learning, I am improving, I will keep trying." Positive self-talk gives you the strength to continue even when things become difficult. It is also important to spend time with positive people. The people around you influence your thoughts, your habits, and your attitude. Choose friends who encourage you, inspire you, and help you become a better person. Avoid people who constantly complain, discourage others, or make you doubt yourself. Remember, every successful person has faced failure. The difference is that they refused to let failure define them. They treated every setback as a stepping stone towards success. A strong mindset helps you overcome challenges, but there is another resource that is just as valuable. That resource is your time. How you use it will determine the quality of your future. That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. I'll continue with Chapter 5. Chapter 5. Value your time. Time is one of the greatest gifts we have, yet it is also the one thing we can never get back. Every person has the same 24 hours in a day. The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is often not intelligence or talent, it is how they use their time. Some people spend their hours learning, working, and improving themselves. Others waste their time on activities that add no value to their lives. Day by day, these small choices create completely different futures. Imagine two friends. One friend spends just 1 hour every day reading books, practicing English, exercising, or learning a new skill. The other friend spends that same hour scrolling through social media, watching random videos, or doing nothing useful. At first, there seems to be no difference between them, but after 1 year, the first friend has learned hundreds of new things, developed useful skills, and become more confident. The second friend is still asking why life has not changed. The answer is simple. Time was spent differently. Remember this powerful truth. How you spend your time is how you spend your life. One of the easiest ways to manage your time is to make a simple plan every morning. Write down the 3 most important tasks you want to complete. Focus on these tasks before checking social media or doing less important work. This habit helps you stay organized and prevents you from wasting valuable hours. Another important lesson is to avoid procrastination. Procrastination means delaying important work even when you know it should be done. Many people say, "I will start tomorrow." But tomorrow often becomes next week, next month, or even next year. Successful people understand that the best time to begin is today. They take small steps instead of waiting for the perfect moment. Reading, learning, exercising, and improving yourself may seem like small activities today, but they produce extraordinary results in the future. Remember that busy people are not always productive. Being productive means spending your time on the things that truly matter. It is better to complete one important task than to spend the whole day doing unimportant work. Every minute is like a small coin. Once you spend it, you can never get it back. Spend your time wisely, and your future will reward you. But even good habits, learning, a positive mindset, and good time management have one final secret behind them. That secret is consistency. And it is the most powerful lesson of all. That is exactly what we will discover in the final chapter. Chapter 6. Be consistent and never give up. We have now reached the final chapter, and this is perhaps the most important lesson of all. You have learned about self awareness, building good habits, continuous learning, developing a positive mindset, and managing your time wisely. But none of these ideas will change your life unless you practice them consistently. Knowledge is powerful, but only when it is followed by action. Many people begin their personal development journey with great excitement. They buy books, watch motivational videos, make long lists of goals, and promise themselves that they will change their lives. But after a few days, they become tired, lose motivation, and return to their old habits. A few months later, they are still waiting for success. The problem is not that they lacked ability. The problem is that they lacked consistency. Remember this powerful truth. Consistency turns ordinary people into extraordinary people. Imagine a person who improves by just 1% every day. 1% may seem very small, and you may not notice the difference after a single day. But after 1 month, those small improvements become visible. After 1 year, they become life changing. This is the magic of consistency. Small actions repeated every day produce results that seem impossible at the beginning. There will be days when you feel tired. There will be mornings when you do not want to study, exercise, or work on your goals. That is completely normal. Even the most successful people have difficult days. The difference is that they continue anyway. They understand that discipline is stronger than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you moving forward when your feelings tell you to stop. Never be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying, learning, and growing. Every successful person has failed many times before achieving success. They simply refuse to quit. Instead of asking, "Why is this so difficult?" ask yourself, "What can this challenge teach me?" Every obstacle is an opportunity to become stronger and wiser. Always compare yourself with the person you were yesterday, not with someone else. Your journey is unique. Your progress may be slower than others, but slow progress is still progress. Celebrate every small victory because each one brings you closer to becoming the person you want to be. Remember, personal development is not a destination. It is a lifelong journey. Every book you read, every new skill you learn, every good habit you build, and every challenge you overcome helps shape a better version of yourself. Start today. Start with one habit, stay consistent, keep learning, never give up. Your future is not created by one big decision. It is created by the small decisions you make every single day. If you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Today, I choose to become a better version of myself. I read every comment and would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and remember, the best investment you can ever make is the investment you make in yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep becoming the best version of yourself. I'll see you in the next video.